everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error from Modern Warfare 3, so please watch the video and find out how. Okay, so why does this occur? This is a licensing system for Modern Warfare 3, relies on specific device registration, and recent updates altered how licenses are verified, causing issues for some users on PC that were not properly linked to the Microsoft Store. Okay, so how do you solve this? And I made this cool little Notion page for this problem. The first thing you want to do is ensure that your device is linked to the Microsoft Store. I'll put the link to this, the Microsoft account device management page. But you can only have up to 10 devices in the Microsoft Store. This does seem to bug if you reinstall Windows or you have a lot of people log into your computer for whatever reason. You actually might have more than 10 devices, and if you do, basically you can't install games from Xbox Gamepass, and it tends to bug out. So you need to start unlinking devices that you aren't currently using. This is also a good security measure to see who's on your Microsoft account. And so after you've done that, you can try to use a friend's party to access the playlist. So one user reported that joining a friend's party, having them start a game, and then leaving the party allowed them to access the playlist again. You can try to run the game from the Microsoft Store instead of the Xbox app. For some reason that helped with some people. One person said by installing and uninstalling a free app, i.e. TikTok, from the Microsoft Store, was a way to force the system to refresh the device list. You also might want to set offline permissions in Microsoft Store. So open the Microsoft Store here, go to Settings and enable offline permissions, then sign out and sign back into the Xbox app in the Microsoft Store to finalize stages. Also, workaround for some cases, you might want to try to change the Windows region. This solved the issue for some people. And if your device still doesn't show up on the Microsoft Store list after removing old devices, activate the Find My Device feature in Windows. And that is it. One of these should have solved your problem. If it did, leave the video a like. If it didn't, leave the video a comment, and I will do my best to get back to you.